Most students fail this topic because they forget one simple rule. Miss it, and every answer will be wrong. Division of fractions looks confusing at first, but once you know the shortcut, it becomes one of the easiest topics. To divide fractions, remember this rule: keep the first fraction, change the division sign to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. We keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Now we multiply normally. 3 times 5 gives 15. 4 times 2 gives 8. Our final answer is 15/8, which we simplify to 1 and 7/8. Did that make sense? If yes, you're doing great. If not, replay the rule again. Let's solve an exam-style question with a mixed number. First, convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. Then apply keep, change, flip. Multiply and simplify. The final answer is 4 and 1/12. Never divide fractions directly and never forget to flip the second fraction. This mistake cost marks. Now it's your turn. Convert the whole number, apply the rule, and drop your answer in the comments. Save this video for revision, share it with someone preparing for exams, and follow this page for more simple math explanations.